Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to use about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. dv we have sine of s over 4 ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to negative number 4 cosine of s over 4. Negative number 4, negative that is from the integration of sine, that's why we have negative cosine. And number 4, that's about coefficient of s, 1 divided by coefficient of s, 1 over 4. You got about number 4 in here. So we have u multiplied by v, that is about negative number 4s cosine of s over 4, minus we have the u multiplied by v. So because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive, and we have number 4. So we have the integration of cosine of s over 4 ds. So the integration of this one, we have number 4, and we have sine of s over 4, and we put about sin here. So number 4 with number 4, you got about 16. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.